All right, this is my version of Kyle's tackle box. Kyle had one of these Plano boxes. I believe the number on it is 1440 or 1444, something like that. You can find a link in the description below to it on Amazon. Made by Plano, from Plano, Illinois. They make some excellent tackle boxes. If you've ever been in the fishing world, you've probably heard of Plano. But this is it. This is my version of it. This is an excellent box. I got all my power pole stuff here, connectors. I'm still filling mine. I don't even have this thing full yet. But Kyle had one of these at the Moore Expo, and I'm like, I gotta have. He pulled it out, and he was pulling pieces out of it, and I'm like, I need one of those. What is that? So the great thing about this is it's got this top piece here. And then it opens up like this. It's got this bottom piece here. I've got my power pole crimpers, some extra cable in here. Got some jumpers. These are Velcro connectors for tying wires or lines or coax together. Got some jumpers in here. Special power pole connectors there. Electrical tape. This is a care package that American Radio Supply sent me. This just showed up in the mail one day. I need to email these guys, and thank them for this. I've mentioned them on the show a bunch of times in my shopping video, but this is just a sample package of connectors, adapters, jumpers, and whatnot. So huge shout out to them. Heat shrink. This is cool here. So that's all this bottom piece. That's the deepest piece of it right there. You've got these dividers here that you can use if you want to. This one goes right here. I don't have that one put in right now. Today's video is sponsored by my Amazon store, where I make affiliate commissions from several items that are on that store. I've got idea lists for Father's Day, Field Day, Black Friday, stuff that I update all the time, a list called Everything That I Bought or Stuff That I Bought or something like that. So any purchases made on Amazon can apply for affiliate commissions and can earn me commissions on certain items, but they help to move this channel forward. So check the link in the description below, and thanks for watching. And then it opens up again here. This pops up. This whole thing flips over. It's got stuff here. Don't want to pull that up too far. I've got ferrite beads here, toroid, bunch of empty space, some solder. I don't have a soldering iron to keep in here yet. This part opens up here. You can divide these. These are dividers that are adjustable. I put dividers down here for all this stuff. It's got some ring terminals, some slot terminals, some blade connectors. These are thumb screws for various radio connections. NMO covers for your NMO mount on your vehicle if you don't want to get wet. More zip ties, more heat shrink, that kind of thing. Again, I don't have it full yet. I got this. I started unloading some other boxes. Unloaded a couple of tool pouches I had, and I'm like, that is cool. I took this to Field Day, which was just last weekend at the time of this recording, and this is just a really neat, got an extra power pole to power pole jumper right there, some power pole to MC4. A lot of these solar panels have MC4. This one's actually for my EcoFlow system. That's the XT60 plug from the EcoFlow, and that can go to power a solar panel of some sort with MC4 connections. The great thing about MC4 is some people say, well, you should cut off those MC4s and put on power poles. Not true necessarily, because MC4 connections are waterproof, where power poles are not. So depending on what you're doing, if you're gonna leave the solar panel outside in the rain, I suggest leaving those MC4 connections on there. So that's it right there. Close that back up. Make sure you snap it back together before you do that with it. And that is the Ham Radio 2.0 version of Kyle's tackle box. Going to be adding more stuff to it. Suggestions are welcome for whatever you might find or you might think I need in there.